So we have here the scrub to clean and the shampoo to take everything away. We have the brow shaper glue, and you fix with this the eyebrow hair. You have here the fast lotion to open up the structure of the hair. You close it up with the fast fixer, and then we have our vitamin bomb here, the care lotion. Furthermore, you're working with the lint-free applicators over here and the mascara brushes. You might need a nice little tweezer and the applicator for helping to set up the hair in the right position. As well, Brow Tycoon helps you and equips you with here a perfect wax that is perfect for the face. The skin of the face is very sensitive, and this is a creamy wax which will cause not much redness. Combining with these two products of pre-wax with aloe vera and the after waxing lotion with a little bit menthol oil, you have a perfect solution for the eyebrow shaping.